What's going on, guys? So today I'm coming at you with a quick install video on a product that I just purchased for my E92 M3. The product is by a company called Induktiv. Here's the name of the company right there. And what it is a wireless charger for your center console. So it replaces this little cubby right here and takes power from your cigarette lighter. So that way you have a place to store your phone and wirelessly charge it. Kind of updates the interior, which is nice. And there's not really a good place to put your phone in these cars other than this nice holder I got over here. But this is definitely a nice option, bringing it into the same category as a new car. So let's get into how to install it. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove this piece on the top of the center console. It's all one piece that has harnesses that plug in. Easy thing is to remove your shift boot, whether DCT or manual. Just pull up on it. It's a couple of clips. There's that done. And then this whole thing, like I said, just clips in. What I like to do is lift the center console, the armrest up. Then I like to use something like this, a plastic pry tool. You can use a flathead, but anything not to cause damage. Put it in somewhere around here so you can start lifting up. Once you do that, you're able to just go ahead and lift the whole entire thing up. You don't have to worry about being super gentle with it. It'll just come right out. And as you can see, there's going to be a couple harnesses that plug in, so just be careful and mindful about that. Push that trim surround through, and then you can see there is a harness there, and it's just going to be your normal harness clips that you're going to remove. Once you remove those, we're going to flip this over and see what we need to do to install the new wireless. After you unplug all those harnesses and flip it over, this is what you're going to be left with. The actual plug locations are one for the iDrive knob, one for your shift selector, one for the EDC power button, and then the one for the actual cigarette lighter over there. To remove this and install the new one, what we need is an Allen key, and there's 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those, and then I'll show you the installation of them. Now with those 4 screws removed, you can see it's kind of a little tab. You don't have to do anything special. You just pull it straight out. That's it. There's the old one removed, and here's the new one. Same little type of tab right there in the middle. You're going to line it up, push it on through there, drop it in, and look at that. That's simple. I'm going to put these 4 screws in, and then we're going to go jump back in the car. All right, so now that we're back in the car, I plugged all the harnesses back in. What we're going to want to do is make sure you don't pinch any of the wires in any of those clips. So as you put this down, tuck everything and make sure everything is out of the way. Push all the way forward, line them up, and then just push down. It's that simple. Shift boot back on. Center console closed, and we're good to go. There's the final product. Super easy install, worth the money in my opinion. It fits phones, modern phones with big cases on them, no problem, and good way to store your phone as well. So yeah, if you guys like the video, feel free to subscribe for more. Comment down below with any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.